Let us provide a solution to this very simple exponential equation. 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 108. Let's get started. 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 108. You should know that according to one of the laws of indices, we can split this into what? 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Yes, the bases are the same, and hence you can take a base and add the exponents. So this is reversible. We still have 3 to the power of x here equal to 108. What do we have in common between these two terms? 3 to the power of x. Factor it out. 3 to the power of x in the bracket. 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x is 1 plus the whole of this divided by 3 to the power of x. You know, this will cancel, leaving only 3 to the power of 1, which is simply 3, right? And we still have 108 to the other side. What is this number here? 1 plus 3 is 4. And since 4 is multiplying this, you can divide both sides by 4, right? So leaving only 3 to the power of x to the left equal to 108 divided by 4 is 27. But what is 27 in base 3? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And hence 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of 3. The bases are the same, and hence you can equate the exponents. Finally, x equal to 3. Yeah.